Welcome to our basic paint training video series. These short videos are designed for the person that just started to work in a paint department. Hopefully, after watching them, you're going to feel more comfortable helping your customers find what they need for their painting projects. This is our sixth video of 11 in our basic paint training video series. We are going to go over some topics to help you as a new paint department employee. In this video, we're going to cover how to use your color center to help you sell more paint. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to cover how your color center is arranged, along with some tips on how to help your customer with color. Let's get started.
When it comes to helping you find your perfect color, the Inspiration Realized Color Center, Create Station, and Educate Station are powerful tools. But like with any tool, you need to know how to use them. The Inspiration Realized Color Center is a revolution in color found in your True Values paint department. Let's first focus on the Inspiration Realized Color Center. The Color Center is available in two formats: the Carousel Color Center and the 12-foot Inline Color Center. The single color chips are arranged the same in both. All of the 1,176 single-color chips are arranged by color families. The families go through the entire color spectrum, beginning with warm neutrals on the far left and ending with cool neutrals on the far right. There are additional color tools that can help you as your color confidence grows. If you are looking for a specific color family and the single-color chips are overwhelming, you can look to the hue-specific cards. The cards are located in both the Inspiration Realized Color Carousel and the Create Station end cap. The hue cards contain 32 popular shades of each color family. This sales aid helps you by narrowing down your choices. When you need help visualizing what colors might look like together in a room scene, go to the Create Station and our Next Generation Idea cards. There are 30 idea cards located in the Create Station. The cards showcase coordinated color combinations for both inside and outside the home. Each idea card shows a home view with the colors working together to create the overall color scheme. The colors on the idea card are thoughtfully selected by leading color experts. Think of the cards as a permission slip to use the displayed colors together. Colors have moods and can influence feelings. If you happen to see the Disney Pixar film Inside Out, you probably noticed that each emotion was defined by a specific color. So think about what mood or feeling you want your space to exhibit when choosing a color. The Create Station not only contains the hue-specific cards that can set a mood, but also the ancillary color cards, which include colors that can define style. Thinking about the style of your home is a fantastic way to learn which color card might contain hues that hold true to your home's character. If you have a home ranging from colonial to the 1930s, you may benefit from the historic card. The colors contained in the card can highlight the unique architectural style of historic homes. If you're wanting to bring a timeless feel to your home, you can't go wrong with the classic and traditional color card. The card contains colors that never seem to go out of style. If you want to bring a modern flair to your home, it might be wise to select colors from the modern and dramatic color card. The colors contained in the card pop and create an instant impression. Two of the ancillary color cards on the Create Station will help you find colors for specific jobs. The Doors and More color card provides colors that are popular to the entrance to your home, as well as other elements like shutters and exterior trim. If you're looking for great colors for interior trim or ceilings, you can find them in the Ceilings and Trim color card. Some of you may be a trendsetters. You might want the latest and greatest. We have a color card for you. The Colors of the Year color card displays trendy, popular colors as designated by industry experts. The card will be updated yearly to stay ahead of industry trends. Not everyone is daring. The white and light neutral color chips are a great choice for those of you that are apprehensive about using color. These chips are located in the Create Station. Though its sales don't involve color, the Educate Station is also a valuable resource for you. The Educate Station is home to our 6 how-tos and project guides. where each is best suited. The personal paint portfolio is a spot where you can gather your color samples and organize your selected colors into a color journal. Multiple pages are provided to know what colors were used where, as well as notes about the project. If you are struggling with color selection, you might find additional help in the How to Use Color guide. Inside, you will find inspiration and learn helpful tips on how to make your vision a reality. You will learn where to begin, how to use color, color psychology, as well as some of the basic color schemes you learned earlier in this training. If you would like to take home tips for your interior projects, then you need the Interior Project Guide. You can learn how to calculate your paint needs, how to properly prep the surface, when to use a primer and proper painting techniques to provide a quality end result. Similar to the Interior Project Guide, the Exterior Project Guide will help you with projects outside of your home. You will learn to estimate how much paint is needed for your project, proper surface prep, when to use a primer, and helpful tips that will make your home the envy of the neighborhood. As you can see, you have a number of tools at your disposal. Using these tools along with the help and guidance from your local True Value paint expert, you will get the results you are envisioning.
I hope you learned something in this video that will make you feel more comfortable in helping your customer choose their color. Remember, color is the most important aspect of every paint sale. You need to make sure they end up with a color they want and they like. Now you can go on to our 7th video that covers our interior paint products. Thanks for watching. Happy selling.